Look, whoever said money can't buy happiness lied to you, because it can buy attractiveness. It can make you look better. And I'm going to show it to you. See, and today I'm going to show you 6 purchases that I've made that I do not regret and that I promise you will improve your appearance. Let's hop into this. Number 1, a skincare system. Having the 3 to 4 basic products that you need in your bathroom is going to be single-handedly the best investment you can do. And I'm not just talking about an opinion-based promise. This is factual. Science tells you if you take care of your skin right now, you moisturize, you wash, and then you use an SPF, you will look better for longer. Your skin is going to fight off fine lines and wrinkles better than the dude that doesn't use this skincare. So if you're young, right now is the time to start, and right now is time to make that investment. Yes, it's going to cost you 20, 30, 40, maybe 50 bucks depending on the quality, but I promise you it's an investment in yourself that you're not going to regret. Number 2, good jeans. Denim. Denim is probably the best investment you can do. See, if the denim fits right, it fits right, especially around the butt region. First of all, instantly attractive. I've already told you, women are looking back there whether you like it or not. You need to find yourself denim that fits that region perfectly. On top of that, it's going to save you money. See, a good pair of jeans you can wear for the next 5-6 years easily, and you can use it 3 to 4 times a week, and most people aren't going to realize. A good pair of denim will be your workhorse that makes you look good on a daily basis. This is why you need to make a good investment. Don't go and buy cheap denim. Don't cheapen out on this. Buy yourself one good pair, and I promise you, you're going to wear it for time to come, and it's always going to make you look better. Number 3, a confidence-boosting suit. One that's so sharp when you throw it on, you just feel it. Like, you feel it. My dude, you look powerful. And by the way, that feeling of power actually makes you powerful. I've talked about it before. There was a specific study where they grabbed a group of men and they dressed them up, and a group of men that wasn't dressed up. The interesting thing was that a group of men that was dressed up was better at problem solving and abstract thinking over the group that didn't. And the scientists believe is because of your perceived value. See, when you feel like the man, you act like the man. That's basically the study in a summary. Thanks to Jose, I'm going to summarize it to you in layman's terms. The point is, buying yourself a sharp suit that increases your confidence, this is an easy go-to. And for me, that's Suit Supply. Look, I've talked about it. By the way, this is not sponsored by Suit Supply. But I've talked about it before. You go to my closet, almost like 80, 90% of my suits are from Suit Supply because it has that fit. They understand my body. So when you throw that on, you just feel like the man. Number 4, a good hair product. Now, this is different for everybody because it depends on your hair type and on what you're trying to accomplish. For me, I have been on a wave of just letting my hair be its natural. Like, I wanted to take its natural course because it's the easiest in the morning, it's low friction, it's efficient, and I believe it looks better because I'm letting my hair be natural and it's unique to me. Nobody else will have my hairstyle. Nobody else will have my waves and my curls. So to do this, for me, a good hair product is a curling cream. If you're a dude like me that has wavy or curly hair, curling cream should be your go-to. See, this is a hydrating cream that will hydrate the curls to keep the curls looking bouncy and with volume all day. See, with us, with our type of hairstyle, when you don't hydrate your curls, they start getting frizzy, and now your hair starts blowing out and all crazy like you didn't even try in the morning. A hydrating curling cream should be your go-to. Number 5, a proper fragrance. See, this paper published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science, participants were given a fragrance and allowed themselves to spray themselves on, after which they self-reported higher levels of confidence and felt as if they were more attractive after they had sprayed the fragrance. The findings don't end there. When a group of women were then shown a silent video of these group of men, keep in mind it was a mix of men that had applied fragrance and men that hadn't, the silent videos of men that had applied a fragrance ranked as sexier by women. And the crazy part is that they didn't say anything, they didn't even introduce themselves, they just saw them. And what scientists believed is because of your perceived value, because you feel more confident and more attractive, you give off that aura, and women, they perceive that. So it's not so much that they are attracted by the scent, which I'm sure also plays a role. It's more so they're attracted by your confidence, by just how good you feel and look. And that's why a good fragrance you need to buy. And finally, number 6, it's a pair of sunglasses. You gotta understand sunglasses make you look good. And I've told you this for years, but a scientist wanted to know exactly why it is that men look better. And what she ended up finding is that you have to understand that your eyes, they're a great source of information and vulnerability. When you don't show that information and that vulnerability, women are drawn to you out of curiosity. It's like they want to know more. This is why frames are so important. When you wear frames, you add that bit of mystery. right? This is why men instantly look better. On top of, you also hide imperfections and you also add symmetry to your face. So it's literally a win, win, win. Why is it not in your closet? Like, you need a good pair of frames. And by the way, Jade Black, yeah, it's on our way. So if you live in the city and you want to buy a pair of Jade Blacks, it gets delivered same day. Boys, come on. Come on, bro. Like, what are you doing? The point is that, yes, there are certain things that you can purchase that will make you look more attractive. So whoever tells you money doesn't buy happiness, you send him this video, all right? Because it at least buys attractiveness. That's it for me today. See you next time.